Amy had $84.50 and Amber had $42. After Amber spends some money and Yenny spends $21.50, Yenny has twice as much money as Amber. How much did Amber spend? So right now, the before, they actually gave us actual values to work with. So I have amount of money for Yenny and Amber. But the change, I do not know the change for Amber. Okay, so currently I know Amber spends some money, but I don't know how much. Whereas for Yenny, I know she spends $21.50. So if you notice, there's actually sufficient information for us, okay, because they gave us the actual values for before, they gave us the actual values for the change for Yenny. So for this question, likely you can use before change after to help you solve the question. All right, so we're going to record down our information in before change after format first. So let's start off with the before. So before, I do not need any model because I have the money already provided. Just need to list them down like this. Okay. Now, then we go on to the change. So the change is that Amber spends some money. So draw an arrow. Amber minus question mark because I don't know how much she spent. For Yenny, she spends $21.50. So Yenny minus $21.50. Finally, we can now record down the after. So the after, what we know is that Yenny now has thrice as much money as Amber. So thrice, you can just sketch a simple model, 3 units, 1 unit. So 3 units for Yenny, 1 unit for Amber. Okay, now once you have recorded this down, the next thing is to identify, is there anyone I can begin working with, forward or backward? So notice that throughout, I have more information for Yenny. So obviously then I will use Yenny to help me begin solving the question. No point using Amber because Amber, I don't have a lot of information. The $42 is not going to help much. So notice for Yenny, right? Yenny at first has this much money and they give us the change, which means that I can work forward. Okay, I can work forward to find the value of her 3 units in the end. Simply by taking 84.50 minus 21.50. All right, so what it means is that she has $63 at the end here, 3 units. So I think it'll be good if we annotate that down. This is $63. Okay, now then of course, next thing is I will work out value of 1 unit, always find 1 unit. All right, so yeah, $63 is Yenny's after. Now, 1 unit will be $21 after you do the division. So what does this 1 unit represent? Okay, so if you look at the model, you notice that 1 unit is actually Amber's after. All right, so it'd be good if you record that down, $21 in the model. Now, once you get 1 unit, we read the final question. The question is asking how much did Amber spend? Amber's spending is here, the change. All right, so to find her change, to find her spending, look at Amber's before, look at Amber's after. So now my focus is purely on Amber. Don't care about Yenny anymore. All right, so if you look at Amber's before, it's $42. Amber in the end left with $21, which means that how much she spent would simply be 42 minus 21. And that will be her spending of $21.